Okay, so today we're going to be finishing up the last piece of the puzzle to get this thing ready to start taking to events. That's what I've been working to with the turbo, the roll cage, the welded diff is finally almost there, so I'm excited. So let's jump straight in and start unboxing what we're going to be installing today. So obviously I picked up a new set of coilovers, which you're probably thinking, doesn't the car already have coilovers? And you'd be right. But the ones on the car are actually not adjustable as far as damping, and these are, which is the main reason I'm kind of getting these as the final piece of the puzzle. I want to be able to take it to the vent and be able to sort of dial everything in, because the car is a little twitchy as it sits, and I'm hoping these will help fix that. But these are from Maxpeedingrods, which I know a lot of people that run these are a more affordable option, but I can tell you right off the bat that at least the initial quality is a lot better than like Racelands or other generics. The top pads are actually really nice, which obviously you have your adjustable damping right there. And just little things like you actually have labeled springs. These are 7K in this instance, and the collars, just everything's a bit above what you would normally expect for like generics or Raceland, sort of like that. They're actually really nice, but obviously I won't know how they actually are until I throw them on the car. So I'm gonna grab a bite to eat, let things dry up a little bit, and then we'll throw them on. I'll take the car, do a few skids, tinker with it, and I'll give you my overall honest first impression of them. Update: it's the next day, it snowed, most of it's gone, it's sunny out. Welcome to North Carolina. You'd think I'd have road jack by now, but you'd be wrong. Alright, so I finished getting everything installed. It took a little bit longer than I expected. I've ran out of daylight, so I finished it up this morning. But I went ahead and threw some fresh spares on the back, so we'll take the car out, maybe do a skid or two, try to get things to settle, and I'll give you my overall first impressions. Okay, so obviously the car needs a little bit more tinkering to get it right. The rear end just has so much grip. I'm gonna either buy a sway bar, I might try to put some more PSI in the rear tires, just mess with it, but it's good enough to take it to a drift event, so that's probably what will be next. Now back to the coilovers. It's crazy just how much better they ride than the ones I had on my car, which I think is just down to the ones I had being non-adjustable. So with the car being lowered, I just think I was running out of suspension travel and just made it overly stiff. But overall, I'm super happy with these, and they have 25-point adjustability, which in the back I have it set to like 22 or something. I might just go ahead and up it to 25, and then the front's a bit softer. But they ride super well. Only time will tell how they hold up, but overall, just first impressions, I would definitely recommend them. If I have any trouble with them, I'll probably put a comment in the description, pin it to the top, but I doubt I will. And overall, if you're in the market for something like these, some affordable coilovers that actually ride well and you can adjust, I really would recommend these. And as I put in the video earlier, if you go to the link in the description and use coupon code Austin, you can get 15% off, which, I mean, that'll save you quite a bit of money on something like this. You can buy a lot of pizza or whatever it is you're into with that. But overall, I'm super happy with them. And as far as the channel goes, the next video will probably be taking this car to an event. Unless I buy like a rear sway bar, I might make a video throwing that on. But overall, that's my next plan, so that will likely be the next video. But that's going to wrap things up, and I'll catch you on the next one.